Presiden ka United Democratic Party uba met ba lingdo ulapan pau ya ka Kyrmen Skhem banyo bungun kinong mi kmat ha ka election MDC banwan hari lum KHASI ba chaintia. Ulaong babungun kinong kersan kiba haswa kila ino ya kaseng menta kila wan pai biang pat ba watla umpat don por ban kemi benya ya kidaw ha ka bayade bat kani ka benta uba lingdo ula kubur ba kinong yalam lembat kinong kersan kiba haswa kibala kersan ya kiwe pat ki seng san perthai kila rai ban penya so biang syaka UDP na ka benta ki election MDC banwan.
Okay, on many constituencies, on many districts, and in the state as a whole, especially KHASI Giants, with regards to the KHASI Health Councils and the Giant Health Council, we found that a lot of supporters who belongs to UDP, there's many in fact, many who have left, have come back. Well, I have not been able to spend more time with them, but I would like to know the reason why. But I could understand that those leaders, supporters, well-wishers of the party who have been there with the party for long, who have supported other political parties in the last MP election, have already made up their mind on their own, to come back to the party and be with the party for this MDC election.
Kijingya kren ha padang ka sorka jilla bat ka all Meghalaya